last? Would you do it different? Would you pick a different path, make a new decision? Are you sticking where you at, or would you choose to switch it? Is there a chance that you believe in superstition? 'Cause I think this was meant to be, right here, right now, with you and me. Girl, grab my hand, come dance with me. Girl, grab my hand, come dance with me. Dance into the sunshine, baby.